Hello. Today we'll see that how we can use template class or templates to give some generic data types to any function like we want to add two numbers, and those numbers can be of float data type, double data type, or integer data type. So how we can just use any template to do their task, to give any type of any kind of data type we want to, or any kind of data type of two numbers, two variables we want to add. Today we'll see that. So first of all, what we'll do that we will include iostream. Let me change it to C++ because it is a plain text. So iostream using namespace std. So basically what we want to do today is that we want to add two numbers which can be of float data type, integer data type, or double data type, and we want to decide at the runtime that both those two variables have what data type. So for deciding that, we have to use template. Templates basically is a generic data type, which we can use to decide on the runtime that what we want to do, how we can how we use two variables, which data type we use for two variables, to add them or to subtract them, or what else you want to do with them. So templates are used for that purpose. So basically here what will I do is that I'll write template. Basically it will be the syntax. I'll write the syntax. Basically class t. Here basically t is any kind of variable, any kind of symbol you can give here, a b c d e f g, or any name. Naming conventions apply is similar to the variables which we have seen previously. So here you can replace this t with any kind of data type. So after that, what we'll do is that we have given t here. This will be a generic data type. Now we will just make a function of sum for giving t sum, and this sum will receive two variables from the main. Now here basically what we have done is that we have replaced here, here, and here, these places. Let me correct it. We have replaced these places with a t, with a generic data type. Here if we pass any type of data type at the runtime, then that data type will replace this t at that runtime. So for example, uh, if I pass a double data type from the main, then it will replace double here. double here, and here also, and here also. if we I if I'll pass integer, then it will replace this t with integer. If I'll pass float, then it will replace this t with float data type. So this is basically a generic data type which we can use for our ease. So this template class is very template function is very powerful tool in C++ which we can use for our purpose to give any kind of data type to a function. If we don't use this, then we have to write some function for float, some function for integer, and some function for double separately. So this template will ease our task. So now uh, what will I do here is that I simply return a plus b here, return a plus b here. So this will just, what this will do is that this will take input of any kind of data type which we will send during runtime, and add those two values and return that type of value which we have given uh, on runtime. So here what we what I will do in main is that I'll simply write int. If I want to add two integer numbers, int a b, set those values and set those values like a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c for the result, and I'll make an integer c for my result. And here what will I do is that c is equal to sum of a b. Now this will send two integer numbers to this function and adds those two integers, sorry, add those two integers and return an integer value to this sum, and that will be stored in this C, and here it will be, here this cout will output that C value, that added C value. Here we can replace this int with double. If you want two double values to be added, or float if you want two float values to be added. Now here you can see that I'll build this program. It has built successfully. Now I'll run it. Here you can see that the answer is 3, which is correct exactly. I have given the value a1 b2 which was passed to sum, then here it came, added and returned to t, which here came and stored in C, and console output has just appeared this in the console 3. So this was our template function. So thank you, and I'll say that this template function is used with a this template is used with a function. So we basically say that we have used this template function template with a function, and there is also templates with classes you can use. So basically here you can also use different data types for B and different for A, which was which has another syntax which we will discuss later on any other video. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you have just liked this video. Thank you very much.